Welcome to tonight's episode. I'm your host, a storyteller behind MIC, peeling back the layers of human conflict. This isn't just about a broken stereo. No, this is about a friendship torn apart by. It begins simply enough, a stereo system. One woman, Barbara, claimed she lent it to her friend Ramos, someone she had been close to for over 12 years. But when Ramos didn't return it, things spiraled. You did a lot of things together. You had parties together, the judge observed. Come on. Over this piece of stereo equipment? There was a tone of disbelief. Something deeper was stirring beneath T. Ramos didn't flinch. This one. She pointed. She was gossiping about me. I wasn't gossiping. Your Honor, Barbara retorted. Her girlfriend asked me a question, and I said yes. Her girlfriend Aurea. The courtroom bristled. And there it was, the real reason this stereo became the powder keg. Trust. Secrets. Rumors turned into revelations. Barbara felt betrayed. I trusted you, she said, wounded. But Ramos wasn't backing down. I never cheated on her. That's the thing. And then the judge nailed the truth. Listen, that's what this is about. This isn't about, well, you sorta left it there. Tensions boiled. Voices overlapped. Barbara's frustration spilled. How are you gonna tell me? It happened in my apartment. Years of friendship now reduced to snarled accusations. That's the moment T. Enter the next key voice. Elizabeth Mendez. A mutual friend, or perhaps collateral damage. We lived together, she explained. At the time that the stereo broke, you were living together? The judge. Seems simple enough. Accidental. No malicious intent. But then, Elizabeth added a chilling detail. She had a man call my house claiming to be her brother, threatening me. Twice. 3 times. And yet, I told him, if she's your sister, tell her to call me, Elizabeth recalled. But I'm not letting nobody come into my house and take something without me knowing him. Still, Ramos had a rebuttal. $1,058 was the original cost. With tax, $1,148. A physical number for an emotional fallout. A receipt that outlasted trust. Then came the judge's final monologue, more sermon than verdict. Gossip AI. That's not an easy thing to come by. A friend you've managed to maintain for 12 years. And then she cut through the noise. This wasn't a fight over a stereo system. This was a fight over being often. Whether it was broken on purpose or by accident no longer mattered. I don't think I got the whole story, Miss Ramos, the judge said. But it doesn't make a difference. Barbara's receipt. Taxing clad. So, what did we learn? Maybe this case is about more than speakers and wires. Maybe it's about how silence, the kind that festers when old friends stop talking, is louder than any stereo ever could. This is the cost of broken trust. Stay tuned for our next case, because in this courtroom, the truth might be silent, but it always finds a way to make noise.